Today I'm showing you guys the process of how they make Haitian bread. We are at a Haitian bakery. This bakery was made by hand by my own brother, and this is his business. So I'm really excited to show you guys the whole process of how they make the bread. A lot of people have been asking about different business ideas they can do when they get here to Haiti. I think there's a lot of different business ideas that you can come up with, because every merchant, everybody who's selling something, they're selling something that somebody else next to them is selling. If I was to start a bakery here in Haiti, I would just bake different kinds of breads, because all the merchants sell the same thing. They all sell the same kind of soft bread or the really hard bread, but nobody's making, like French bread, Italian bread, rustic breads, different things like that. So that's a way that you can start something that's a little bit different without completely reinventing the wheel.
Non pas c'est déjà nous connaissons Davidson.
Ok, Davidson. Kounya, qui ça fait un business comme ça? Qui est-ce qui apprend pour faire pain?
So, moi te ouais, j'ai fabriqué et puis on devenu déguisé une idée et me décidé pour me faire boulangerie pam. Ça va environ 4 ans depuis me penser sur ça, mais pour réaliser moi pas seul parce que je pas capable pour comme de prendre 2-3 monde comme accompagnateur. So, ça te prend environ 6 mois pour nous réaliser boulangerie.
Okay. So he was thinking about building a bakery for about 4 years. Once he decided to build it, it took him about 6 months with 2 other guys, and then they built everything together. From him watching other bakers, that's how he learned how to do it. He's going to show you the whole process, how he makes the bread. Okay, so this is where they mix the flour. This is where they mix the dough. This they made with cement. So he's going to pour the flour in here and everything else that goes into the bread. Okay.
So ça il faut nous va mouiller.
That's the flour. Okay.
Okay. Après on va le machine.
Okay. Et ça
c'est machine là. Faut une balle passer pat là pour caler une belle.
Okay. So this is where they roll the bread. Instead of using like a rolling pin, they use this machine.
Comme la vérifier, il faut cacher une qualité bien là-dedans.
Ok. On nous juste mettre plaqué en dedans comme ça?
Non, les bois ils sont brûlés pour nous la nettoyer en dedans.
Ah.
Pour nous capable de mettre plaqué là-dedans pour faire capable.
Okay, so after the wood is done burning, then they clean it up and then they put the bread in there. Okay, we're gonna get to see the process. Et bien, n'a suivre qui j'en fais tout le bagage. Okay, so here we have some sugar and salt. Right for my nose and my allergies, y'all.
On va ajouter la sel sous sel là.
Okay, and you got in water. I guess he's eyeballing everything. On va mesurer, c'est gardé, on va regarder. Melting the salt. So now he's gonna pour the salt water in the mixture.
Boulez.
So he's adding the yeast directly to the dough that's already mixed. This is different than what I'm used to.
Commencer rouler.
Okay.
Passer là.
Everybody's making the same kind of bread. There's only maybe about 3 different kinds of bread that people make, but they're all the same. The bread usually have just salt, water, sugar, and yeast. And for some people, they add butter and milk depending on the kind of bread they're making. So this is actually a hard bread that they're making. They don't make the soft bread here. The difference with the soft bread is that you would add milk and you would add butter. It's a great opportunity for someone who want to come and start something different. In this specific business, you know, you can make a rustic bread, you can make Italian bread, you can make a French baguette. If you learn how to make those things, that's something that is not really found here, so you wouldn't have much competition. So I think that's how we got to think about businesses in Haiti, is everybody's doing the same thing. Even if you come and start a restaurant, even if everybody has a food, even if a lot of people have food businesses, right? What can you bring here that's different? How can you still do the same thing and do it in a different way for us to introduce different things to the country? I think that's how we have to start thinking about businesses when we come to Haiti. It's not just about, oh, what can we do? I feel like a lot of people are coming up with the same things that are already here. Even if you're gonna do the same type of business, do it in a different way for it to be profitable, so you're not competing with everybody else.
Allez, déchaînement. Allez, déchaînement.
Okay guys, so that concludes the bread video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time.